Welcome back to the channel. You know that feeling when technology leaps so far ahead that it feels like you're living in a sci-fi movie? Well, that's exactly what's happening right now, because DJI is about to flip the drone world upside down with the upcoming DJI Mini 5 Pro. This isn't just a minor upgrade, it's a full-on evolution in the ultralight drone category. Thanks to recently surfaced certification leaks, we now have strong confirmation that DJI is preparing to launch the Mini 5 Pro and the headline feature, a massive 4,700 mAh battery. That's not just big, it's game-changing, almost double what we've seen in earlier Mini models. With that kind of juice, we're talking about potential flight times between 50 and 55 minutes, which officially pushes this sub-250G drone into serious professional territory. And if the rumors are true, we may also get fast charging support, which would be a first for a drone this light and portable now. If you're a content creator or aerial photographer, the next part might just blow your mind. The Mini 5 Pro is rumored to come with a 1-inch camera sensor, a major leap forward for a drone this size. And it's not just about the visuals. DJI is taking flight safety and intelligence to the next level. We're looking at front-facing LiDAR sensors and a 3D infrared obstacle detection system that can spot objects up to 25 meters away in total darkness. Add in improved motor vents for heat dissipation, enhanced flight stability, and a new quick-release propeller system, and you've got a drone that's not just smarter, but also easier to manage in the field. Storage worries? Gone. The base model will reportedly offer 32 gigabytes of internal memory. So if you ever forget your SD card, no stress. There'll be 2 battery options. The standard pack with roughly 45 minutes of flight, and a high-capacity plus battery that pushes well beyond the 50-minute mark. And then there's connectivity. The new DJI 04 transmission system promises up to 20 kilometers of control range with ultra-low latency, giving you rock-solid signal strength even in tricky environments. So when is it coming? Insiders say DJI Mini 5 Pro will officially launch around September 2025, with pricing expected to start at $850 for the base model and going
up to $1,200 for the Fly More combo,
which includes the RC2 controller, extra batteries, and more accessories. That slots it neatly between the Mini 4 Pro and the Air 3 series, but based on the specs, it might outperform both. And that leads us to the bigger picture. If DJI delivers on these promises, a 1-inch sensor, 360 gimbal, advanced obstacle detection, next-gen transmission, and near or long flight time, then the Mini 5 Pro won't just be the best ultralight drone. It could challenge full-size pro rigs for content creators who want top-tier quality in a small, easy-to-carry frame. Whether you're a filmmaker, travel vlogger, drone hobbyist, or someone who just wants cinematic shots without carrying a backpack, full of gear, the Mini 5 Pro could be the drone you've been waiting for. So here's the question. What would you film with the DJI Mini 5 Pro? A mountaintop sunrise? A high-speed mountain bike trail through dense forest? It's a sweeping coastal drone shot that looks straight out of a movie. Let us know in the comments. We'd love to hear your dream footage ideas. And if you're as hyped as we are about the Mini 5 Pro, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, and stay tuned. We'll be bringing you the latest leaks, real-world reviews, and detailed breakdowns as soon as they drop. And while you're here, check out the videos in the end screen for more drone tech insights, comparisons, and hands-on tests. Because honestly, sky isn't the limit anymore. It's just the beginning.